40 minus 5 times 3, 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 40. Now, I want to show you the common mistake when solving this math, then I will show you the correct one. So, first of all, you do 40 minus 5 like this, which is what? 35 times 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us what? 8 plus 40, right? Then 35 times 8, which is 280 plus 40, which is equals to what? 320. But this is wrong. And this is the method a lot of people use. And the fee is also correct, but it's not actually correct. The reason why is because it's not correct because we have a board mass rule, and this mass is order of operation. And we use board mass or PEMDAS, depending on the one you are using. This B stands for bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, right? So, and using this rule, we have to solve from left to right. So if we are solving from left to right, let me show you the correct answer now. So we have to do division before multiplication. So there is no division in the question, so we go to multiplication, right? Or there is exponent here, so we have to do exponent first without taking. So if we are solving for the exponent first, we have to bring down these numbers, which is 40 minus 5 times 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8 plus 40, right? So now we have subtraction, multiplication, and addition. So we are doing the multiplication first, right? So 5 times 8, bring down this 40. 5 times 8 will give us 40 plus this 40, right? 40 minus 40. So we are doing this plus 40 first because addition comes before subtraction. So minus 40 plus 40 will give us plus 0, right? So we have plus 0. So 40 plus 0 is equal to what? 40. And this is the final answer. So the correct answer is 40. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more.